Grüß Grotte, willkommen meine lieben Damen und Herren. Introducing straight from Shipman's Corners, Ontario, Ubertech Modernist Cuckoo Clock Craftwork. Papa, it's almost time. Guten Tag. My name is Dr. Uncle Danny Glockenspieler. And for all you clock watchers and watch clockers out there, we have an absolutely wonderful clock for you to chime with. Come see, come see. Alles klar. Dies Uhr kann jedes Geisteskrank Trottel heilen und ihr Herzstrachel wie Glühwein. Go back in there. Go back in there. You too early. Papa, stop it. The clock casing is made from virtually unrecyclable corrugated plastic, guaranteed to survive smashing. It includes special blitz bling such as Canadish flag, Ween Metallica rip-off merchandise, and a vinyl record sticker. Holy sticking stock. Pine and corn for the Tannenbaum and strawberries. Oh, and look at the pendulum in the weights. They are pine and corn and the Armistice Day Remembrance Popo. Very nice. All mechanical parts are electronic and quartz crystal. The speaker is capable, digital speaker is capable of playing Dr. Zhivago, Lara's theme. Ah, Lara C chord. Bless her heart. And another song. Come on, don't. There we go. Marlene, the war song of armistice of World War II. So nice, so nice. Purchase the Cuckoo Clock for Österreich Kunsthausmuseum and receive this free coupon. A World War I propaganda Florence Nightingale skizze. Ooh, that soldier is a coward. He wants the bed. Or does he want opium for his troubles? Oh, if only the nurse knew. She psyched with this Schweizer army knife. And that guy got shot in the third eye. Okay. Danke for considering purchasing one of my Shipman's Corners original Niagara, Ontario, Canada Cuckoo Clocks. Ah, Marlene, one more for the road, one more cuckoo. You know, the cuckoo really is the expression that any moment can be a cuckoo second, because it invigorates the mind, body, and schedule. You are at optimum Weltmeister for cuckoo-ness. I love it. Dankeschön. Goodbye. Have a good day. Guten Tag. And meine Leben ist eine Baustelle. My life is the construction zone.